If you're seeing a Beehiiv error 503, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. A 503 error usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, so in many cases the problem is not permanent and can be solved with a few simple checks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get Beehiiv loading properly again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software fixes and creator tutorials. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes, the 503 error appears because the page failed to load properly on the first attempt. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on Mac. After refreshing, give the site a moment to reload and see if the issue clears. If the error is still there, wait a few minutes and try again. Since a 503 error often points to a temporary server problem, Beehiiv may simply need a little time to recover. This is especially common if the platform is under heavy traffic or going through a brief outage. So if refreshing does not work, step away for a few minutes, then come back and reload the page again. Next, check your internet connection. Even though a 503 error usually comes from the server side, a weak or unstable internet connection can make the problem look worse or prevent the page from loading correctly. Open another website and see if it loads normally. If other sites are slow or not opening, restart your Wi-Fi router, reconnect to your network, or switch to a different connection if possible. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old stored data can interfere with how Beehiiv loads in your browser. To do this, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to Beehiiv to test the site again. If the issue continues, disable browser extensions. Some extensions can block scripts or interfere with page loading, especially privacy tools, automation tools, or security add-ons. Try turning off your extensions one by one, or open Beehiiv in a clean browser session with extensions disabled. If the page works after that, you've found the cause. You should also disable ad blockers. Even though Beehiiv is not an ad-heavy site in the traditional sense, ad blockers can still block important elements, scripts, or tracking functions that the platform needs to load correctly. Pause your ad blocker, refresh the page, and check whether Beehiiv opens normally. If none of those steps work, log out of Beehiiv completely. Sometimes your current session can become corrupted or stuck, and signing out can reset it. After logging out, close the tab or browser, then open Beehiiv again and log back in with your account details. A fresh login often clears session-related issues and restores normal access. Once you log back in, test the page again and see if the 503 error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue quickly, whether it was a browser problem, a connection issue, or a temporary Beehiiv outage. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a few minutes, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, disable ad blockers, log out and log back in. That's the full process for fixing Beehiiv error 503. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and creator platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.